Looking for the perfect spot to escape the city? This 0.20-acre wooded lot in Lake Crest III Subdivision, Wagoner County, Oklahoma, is exactly what you need. Enjoy fishing trips, wildlife views, and peaceful surroundings. You can build a mobile home, stick-built, or manufactured home here. Electricity is nearby, and water is available through the rural water district, or you can install a private well. A septic system is required. Don't wait, this is your chance to own a piece of Oklahoma's beauty. Reach out today. At AGT Properties, we make it easy for anyone to own land in Wagoner County, Oklahoma. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties. Investments for a lifetime.